Welcome you all students. Today we are going to see about assignment problem using brute force method. That is just do it approach method, which we are going towards our unit 2. Let's we get into the topic. That is consider n number of people who need to be assigned to n jobs. Here they have given n number of persons and we have to assign the n number of jobs to the corresponding persons. Okay, that is we have to assign one person, one job. Okay, here only thing we need to do, that is we need to find the maximum total amount. We are going to find the maximum total cost for each person. From that we need to assign the job in corresponding order to the n persons. Yes, let us discuss more with an clear example. Here what they have given, here they have given one example with n number of, that is 4 persons and allocated 4 jobs. Okay, so what we are going with, we are going to find the minimum, that is minimum cost of the all jobs. We are going to compare all the job combination for each person. Okay. So for 4 persons we have to find the value of 4 factorial. Okay, what is the value of 4 factorial? That you may get 24. Okay, that is how we can get the number worth 24 while multiplying the 4 with 6 we may get the 24. To find the combination of 6 we may get the correct minimum total cost. Okay, so we are going to find the 6 combination of job assignment for each person. Okay, so let us select combination for person 1. See here, so while you taking person 1, okay, so while taking person 1, what are the combinations, what are the possibility of combination we may get while we taking the person 1, we are going to see. Okay, so for taking person 1, the remaining combinations are 2 second job, that is third job, fourth job, and while going with the second combination alone we may get the 2 more combination, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 3 comma 4 as well as 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 3. Okay, so what is the only agenda is we are going to compare the person with more number of, that is no number of possibilities where we may get the minimum cost. Okay, likewise we are going to get the minimum cost for each persons, and finally we are going to find the which is the utmost minimum cost, that what the optimal solution for the assignment problem. Okay, so here with we have find that combination of 1 2 3 4. Again going with the third, what we may get the rest of 2 second job and 4 job, and we may get the possibilities while we are going with vice versa, that is 4 comma 2. Likewise same while going with the 4 we may the remaining combinations are 3 comma 2, or else we may take 2 comma 3. Okay, so that what we are getting here, you see here we may get the job 1, job 2, job 3 and job 4. We have assigned that P1, P2, P3, P4. That what it says, that P1 we are allocating job 1 for P1 and job 2 for P2 and job 3 for P3 and job 4 for P4. Likewise we are going to find all the combinations and then we are going to find the minimum cost. Here the n value is 4, isn't it? The number of person is 4 and the number of jobs is 4. So while applying the formula for factorial, what we may get the 24. Okay, why how we may get 24 with the help with the 4? We may multiplying with the 6 combinations we may get the value of that 24. Okay, so likewise we may find the number of possibilities how we are getting the combinations, as it am I right? Okay, then we may go with 1. See here, job 1, job 2, job 4 and job 3. Okay, so here we assigned 1 2 4 3, no, so likewise we have assigned 1 job 2 job 4 and job 3. Okay, so likewise 1 3 2 4 1 job 1 job 3 job 2 and job 4. Okay, likewise what is the value of 9 4 1 4? The value we may get through only the table what they have given in the example. Okay, so for person 1 and job 1, that is P1 comma J1, you may get the value 9. For example P2 J2. What we get? We may get the value 4. For person 3, job 3, what do you get? The value 1. And person 4 and job 4, you may get the value as 4. So likewise, we need to add those values, that is 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. What is the value here? See the value 18. Okay, so 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. Likewise, we are going to find the value for that P1 comma J1, P2 J2 likewise. So once again we may see that. So again person 1, again 9, again here what they have given. So likewise, we are going to find the cell value and we may apply it, and at last we are going to sum all these total values and find the cost here. Okay, likewise we are going to find the person 2. Okay, so we are going to find the combination with the help with the person 2, that is job 2, while we are getting that 2 1 3 4 combination. So except 2, what are the combination 1 3 4 we will write first. Okay, so for easiest way we may get that except 2, what are the 3 combinations, that is 1 3 and 4. So with the 1 and 2 1, what are the remaining combinations? 3 4, and vice versa we may write as usual 4 3, and likewise for 3 we may the remaining values, that is 1 4, and the vice versa 4 1, and for the value 4, what is the remaining? 1 3 and 3 1. Okay, likewise the vice versa we may write. Okay, so for with that 2 1 3 4 and 2 1 4 3, likewise here 2 3 1 4 2 3 4 1, likewise we may write the job assignment. Okay, so for the, what is the meaning that we are going to assign the job value for this corresponding persons. Okay, so the note one point that we are not going to change the person order. Okay, so the person order will resume always the same, that is P1 P2 P3 P4 for all the columns. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to rechange, or we are going to find the number of combinations for the jobs alone. Okay, so with this we are going to find the minimum cost values, likewise we are adding the value. Okay, so after that we may go with the 3, as like the same method we are going to apply for that 3 1 2 4 and 3 1 4 2. After the 3 2 1 4 and 3 2 4 1, these combination 3 2 4 1 and 4 1 2 4 1 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2, likewise we write and we find the cost. Okay, so we find the cost. So overall what we are going to do, and also we are going to find the fourth combination, that is 4 1 2 3, likewise we may get first we may find the three level combination, and then we are going to find the 4 level combination, and then with the help of that we are going to find the cost for each and every combinations. At last what we are going to do is we are going to find the minimum for set of combinations. Here what is the minimum value you find here is, what is that? 20. Likewise we have to find the value for the previous assignment 3 and 2 and 1. So at last we may get that 13 as the minimum value. Here the value is 13. Okay, so at last we find the value as, so here we got the minimum value 13. So comparing with all the 4 combinations, the minimum value in this is 13. So when we get the minimum total here, while we are combining the job assignment as in this order. Okay, that is which order? J2 J1 J3 and J4. That is when we assigned the job 2 for person 1, and when we assign the job 1 for person 2, and when we assign the job 3 for person 3, and when we assign the job 4 for person 4, we may get the minimum cost. Okay, so what is the main agenda of our paper? We that is already I said earlier, that is the only agenda of our paper is to find the algorithm, efficient algorithm, that's why our program can run fastly. And the only 2 major things what we have to consider in this paper is space complexity and time complexity. Where algorithm must be efficient, the only when it occupies the low memory, runs faster. Okay, comparing to other algorithm, it will consider as an efficient algorithm. Okay, so with this we find that the minimum cost and we assign the value of the jobs to the persons. Okay, so the final cost we get is this is what our minimum cost. So obviously optimal assignment is we are assigning the job 2 job 2 in person 1 and job 1 in person 2 and job 3 job person 2 for sorry here one more mistake, that is person 3 we allocated job 3 and for person 4 we allocated job 4. Okay, so the cost here we have written and the value we get is 13. So what is the time complexity? The time complexity is measured in this assignment problem only with the help of n value. What is the n value? Consider the n person. If it is 4, so we find the 4 factorial, no? So that the time complexity here is n factorial. So this is what about the assignment problem. Hope you all understand. Having any queries regarding this concept, kindly ask me. Thank you.